Which property, if any, would you use to show that triangle RST is congruent to triangle DEF with the given information? We are given that segment RS is congruent to segment DE, segment RT is congruent to segment DF, and angle R is congruent to angle D. Let's label the figure with the given information. We're told that segment RS is congruent to segment DE. We're told that segment RT is congruent to segment DF. And we have the fact that angle R is congruent to angle D. And looking at what we have labeled, we see that we have two sides and the included angle of one triangle congruent to two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Therefore, these two triangles, RST and triangle DEF, they're congruent by the side angle side property.